wide on the exit of 12, but that seems to be the standard line today. As he goes through turns 13 and 14, trying to set up with a left-hander, turn number 15. 17 years old from Mooresville, North Carolina. His Truck Series debut. Can he put this Silverado for Spire Motorsports on the pole? Works his way through turn 16 into turn 17. Now to the pole. Connor Zilisch at 2 minutes 11 seconds, .983, and Connor Zilisch has just set the scoring pylon on fire with the fastest lap we have ever seen in the Truck Series, and that is going to be hard to top.